we will start with the third session of the week now. We will cover BTF, that is Bengal Tourism Fest, and TTW, Travel into a World, in this video. We will be covering Bengal Tourism Fest, the purpose, participants, benefits of BTF, beyond borders, promoting sustainable tourism, and the organization of BTF. The contents continued will be Travel into a World, the key features and services, the TTW publications and circulation, and conclusion. Introduction. Firstly, Bengal Tourism Fest, that is BTF in Kolkata, is India's leading exhibition for the travel and tourism industry. The Bengal Tourism Fest is an annual extravaganza that celebrates the rich cultural heritage, natural beauty, and diverse tourism offerings of the Bengal region. Secondly, Travel into a World, that is TTW, is a specialized B2B, that is business to business, digital journal and trade network focused on the travel, tourist, hotel, cruise, and airline industries. Bengal Tourism Fest. Continuing with it, we know that Bengal, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and diverse landscapes, has long been a jewel in India's tourism crown. From the bustling streets of Kolkata to the serene beauty of the Sundarbans, Bengal offers a myriad of experiences for travelers. To celebrate this richness and to promote tourism in the region, the Bengal Tourism Fest is organized annually. This festival serves as a platform to showcase the best of Bengal's heritage art, cuisine, and natural beauty. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the heart of the Bengal Tourism Fest, capturing its essence through a journey that highlights the essence of Bengal's tourism landscape. Bengal Tourism Fest in Kolkata is India's leading exhibition for the travel and tourism industry. It is an annual extravaganza that celebrates the rich cultural heritage, natural beauty, and diverse tourism offerings of the Bengal region. Held in various locations across the state, this festival serves as a platform to showcase Bengal's vibrant culture, traditional arts, delectable cuisine, and breathtaking landscapes to both domestic and international tourists. The fest typically spans several days and features a wide range of events, activities, and experiences designed to appeal to travelers of all interests. It provides an annual opportunity for organizations from India and abroad to showcase their products and services. The Bengal Tourism Fest is an yearly event that commemorates the rich cultural legacy, scenic beauty, and varied tourism attractions of the Bengal area. This event, held at several sites around the state, highlights Bengal's rich culture, traditional arts, delicious food, and stunning scenery to visitors from both inside the country and outside. The festival usually lasts for many days and includes a diverse array of events, activities, and experiences tailored to attract travelers with various interests. The Bengal Tourism Fest offers a variety of activities, from history tours in ancient towns to adventure sports in gorgeous locations, catering to a wide range of interests. Association of Tourism Service Providers of Bengal, that is ATSPB, was established in 2003 for the people working in the field of tourism sincerely committed to serve a transparent tourism service to the consumers. In 2016, ATSPB organized Travel and Tourism Fair for the first time for the small and tiny entrepreneurs under the name and style of Bengal Tourism Fest at Khudiram Anusilan Kendra from 10th to 12th June 2016. After its grand success, it is regularly celebrated with the philosophy of "We care for your comfort." Purpose of BTF. The Bengal Tourism Fest aims to promote visibility and credibility and bring new opportunities to the travel and tourism segment. This festival serves as a platform to showcase the best of Bengal's heritage, art, cuisine, and natural beauty. It provides an annual opportunity for organizations from India and abroad to showcase their products and services. They focus on making the masses more educated, more aware of the facilities available, and making their travel plans more blissful. BTF presents an unparalleled marketing opportunity for exhibitors to connect directly with the largest gathering of prospective travelers and travel industry members. The members of the association organize tours to match the imagination and expectation of the tourists. All sorts of tourism like ecotourism, adventure tours, historical tours, pilgrimage site tours, and scheduled tours are conducted by them. Who are the participants at BTF? Bengal Tourism Fest in Kolkata is, of course, India's leading exhibition for the travel and tourism industry. It provides an annual opportunity from organizations from within India and abroad to showcase their products and services. Visitors can interact with tour operators, travel agents, hoteliers, and airlines to gather information and make national and international travel plans. The different professionals invited to the event are: number one, national tourist organizations and state tourism promotion boards. Also, transportation agencies like airlines, charters, railway passenger transporters, car rentals, shipping, cruise liners, etc. Also, travel agents, tour operators, group travel operators, foreign exchange dealers, and destination management companies. The participants at BTF are different professionals invited to the event. They are MICE operators, that is meetings, incentives, conference and exhibition organizers, convention and exhibition centers also. Then holiday packages and travel insurance services. Also technology providers like online travel portals, hotel reservation networks, property management systems, etc. Then hotels and resorts, convention centers, wildlife resorts, ecotourism camps, health spas and Ayurvedic centers, golf resorts, timeshare resorts, corporate clubs, amusement theme parks, etc. Also educational institutions in the field of hospitality and tourism studies. Then adventure sports like aerosports, aquasports, terrestrial adventure operators, trekking, mountaineering, jungle camping, adventure gears, etc. Travel accessories providers like credit cards, foreign exchange, baggage manufacturers, photography equipment and accessories providers, etc. Then also handicrafts publications, travel magazines, travel photography, photographers, etc. all participate in BTF. What are the benefits of Bengal Tourism Fest? It has several advantages. Bengal boasts a storied past, reflected in its architectural marvels, ancient monuments, and cultural heritage. The Bengal Tourism Fest honors the past with heritage walks, guided tours of historical locations, and cultural performances. Displaying traditional arts and crafts. Visitors can immerse themselves in the grandeur of Kolkata's colonial buildings, explore the ancient ruins of Gaur, or witness the intricate terracotta temples of Bishnupur. Through these experiences, travelers gain insight into Bengal's rich history and the civilizations that have shaped its identity. The Bengal Tourism Fest offers visitors a lively display of the state's cultural richness. Bengal's cultural tapestry is woven with threads of music, dance, literature, and folklore. The Bengal Tourism Fest offers visitors a lively display of the state's cultural richness. From Rabindra Sangeet to ball music, Kathak to Chau dance, the festival celebrates the myriad forms of artistic expression that flourish in Bengal. Literary enthusiasts can attend meetings and discussions by renowned authors, while food connoisseurs can indulge in the diverse flavors of Bengali cuisine, from spicy fish curries to sweetmeats like rasgulla and sandesh. Through these cultural exchanges, the festival fosters a deeper appreciation for Bengal's artistic heritage and creative spirit. Bengal's natural beauty is unrivaled, with landscapes ranging from lush forests and meandering rivers to pristine beaches and mangrove swamps. The Bengal Tourism Fest offers nature enthusiasts a chance to explore this wilderness through eco tours, wildlife safaris, and adventure activities. Visitors can cruise through the mangrove forest of the Sundarbans, home to the majestic Royal Bengal tiger and unique biodiversity. They can also trek through the foothills of the Himalayas in Darjeeling, soak in the tranquility of the tea estates, or relax on the sandy shores of Digha and Mandarbani. Through these experiences, travelers connect with the raw beauty of Bengal's natural landscapes and gain a deeper understanding of the importance of conservation efforts. The Bengal Tourism Fest serves as both a celebration of Bengal's attractions and a venue for advocating sustainable tourist practices. Beyond borders, promoting sustainable tourism. The Bengal Tourism Fest serves as a venue for promoting sustainable tourism practices while celebrating Bengal's attractions. The festival promotes eco-friendly activities, local community support, and preservation of cultural heritage locations via lectures, workshops, and interactive sessions. Visitors are encouraged to practice responsible travel by minimizing trash, endorsing ethical tourism providers, and showing respect for indigenous cultures. The event seeks to promote sustainability to preserve Bengal's tourist offers for future generations. From heritage walks through ancient cities to adventure sports and scenic locales, there is something for everyone at the Bengal Tourism Fest. One of the highlights of the festival is its focus on promoting sustainable tourism practices. Through workshops, seminars, and interactive sessions, participants are educated about the importance of responsible travel and encouraged to minimize their environmental impact while exploring Bengal's treasures. Organization of BTF. The Bengal Tourism Fest typically varies each year depending on organizational factors, local events, and other considerations. Generally, it is held during a time when the weather is conducive to travel and tourism activities, and when there are no major conflicting events in the region. However, to provide a general idea, the Bengal Tourism Fest often takes place during the winter months, typically between November and February. This period offers pleasant weather in Bengal, making it an ideal time for tourists to explore the diverse attractions the state has to offer. As for the specific starting and ending dates of the festival, they are typically announced by the organizers closer to the event. Therefore, it's recommended to check with official sources such as the Bengal Tourism Department or the official website of the Bengal Tourism Fest for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding the festival dates for any particular year. Cultural performances are another integral part of the Bengal Tourism Fest, with artists from across the region coming together to showcase traditional music, dance, and theatre. Visitors have the opportunity to immerse themselves in the rich cultural tapestry of Bengal, experiencing everything from classical dance recitals to folk music concerts. Food also takes center stage at the festival, with vendors offering a tantalizing array of Bengali delicacies. From mouth-watering street food to elaborate traditional feasts, visitors can sample the diverse flavors of Bengal's culinary heritage. Travel and Tour World. Travel and Tour World is a specialized B2B digital journal and trade network focused on the travel, tourist, hotel, cruise, and airline industries. Travel and Tour World boasts a readership of over 5 lakh industry leaders in 195 countries. The travel and tourism, airlines, cruise, and hospitality industries, and also social media influencers and think tanks. They're proud of their long-standing media partnerships, which have been established since 2009 and include over 1,200 prominent travel trade exhibitions globally. From tour operators, travel agents who curate unforgettable journeys to destination management companies ensuring seamless travel experiences and MICE planners orchestrating successful events to luxury planners crafting high-end getaways, their readers are at the forefront of shaping the travel landscape. This unique blend of travel industry expertise and specialization within the readership base empowers to provide in-depth coverage and exclusive insights that cater to the distinct needs and interests of these niche audiences. Key features and services. Key features and services associated with Travel into a World may include magazine and online platform. Travel into a World often publishes a print and online magazine that covers a wide range of topics within the travel and tourism sector. The content may include destination features, industry news, interviews with key figures, and insights into travel trends. Industry events coverage. The platform may cover major travel and tourism events, conferences, and trade shows worldwide. This coverage can include event highlights, interviews with participants, and discussions on industry-related topics. Global focus. Travel into a World typically has a global focus, providing information about destinations, travel trends, and business opportunities on an international scale. The digital content. In addition to print publications, Travel into a World likely maintains a digital presence, including a website and social media platform to disseminate timely information to a wider audience. Insights and analysis. The platform may offer analysis and commentary on industry trends, market research, and emerging technologies that impact the travel and tourism sector. TTW publications. The platform publishes other digital magazines, the MICE Travel Advisor, TTW America, and TTW Europe. These magazines offer inclusive and in-depth articles, interactions along with the latest news on the travel, airlines, cruise, hospitality, and travel trade industry. Promotion of international travel events. Travel into a World actively promotes 1,200 plus prestigious events, internationally acclaimed travel trade shows worldwide. The digital magazine is physically distributed at these events, reaching decision makers and buyers in the global travel, hotel, cruise, airline, and hospitality sectors. Events include IBTM World, ITB Berlin, Fitur, ITB Asia, ITB India, Pata Travel Mart, WTM London, WTM Latin America, IMEX America, Arabian Travel Market, IMEX Frankfurt, ITNCM Asia, TTG In-Country, Tourism Innovation Summit, Astana Leisure, and many more. The TTW circulation. Travel into a World often publishes a print and online magazine that covers a wide range of topics within the travel and tourism sector. The content may include destination features, industry news, interviews with key figures, and insights into market trends. Travel into a World boasts a diverse and extensive readership that spans all 7 continents, making it a truly global platform. From the vibrant cultures of Asia to the bustling cities of America, the picturesque landscapes of Africa, and the captivating destinations of Australia, their reach encompasses every corner of the world. With a global perspective and a commitment to delivering the latest in travel news and insights, Travel into a World serves as a bridge connecting travel industry leaders and businesses across continents. Conclusion. The Bengal Tourism Fest is a testament to the enduring allure of Bengal as a premier tourist destination. By celebrating heritage, culture, and natural beauty, The festival captures the essence of Bengal's tourism landscape, inviting travelers to embark on a journey of discovery and exploration. Whether exploring ancient monuments, savoring local delicacies, or immersing oneself in the wilderness, visitors are bound to be captivated by the beauty and diversity of Bengal. When the Bengal Tourism Fest comes to an end, people depart with recollections of remarkable experiences and a newfound admiration for the marvels of this captivating area. Travel into a World is a global travel trade media company that provides news, insights, and updates related to the travel and tourism industry. It serves as a platform for industry professionals to stay informed about the latest trends, developments, and events in the world of travel. We will continue with further discussions in the next session.